Good day, everyone. This project is on how to improve customers' engagement and how to optimize sales performance activities for better performance. I have my data set here. It is synthesized, and I have my model here. I have my lookup tables, and I also have my fact table, which is the sales table. It's you can see it's on one-to-many relationship, and I have my report here. I created my tables here, and I deliberately kept all my measures under a table, key measures, just for clean and efficient performance. Also, I have the management overview here, and this is where you have a glance of what obtains across all the spheres of the market at once, talking about region to sales rep, to channels, to product and customers. And so we have for that particular sales rep, and as I drill down, it gives me what I want to know per month, per day, and I'm having every of those interaction. As I begin to go back, I'm having all this, even another region, pick another sales rep, it interacts with me fine as per product, and I also can do even per region. So everything interacts well here, and I can have a view at a glance of everything that's obtainable on that particular page. I can go further by just going to the product page where I have products, and I have top 3 products by customers. I have the top 3 products by channels, and I have the top 3 products by salesperson. And quickly, I can just do here to help you verify the top 3 products by customers. Okay, to understand their buying behavior, their needs, and their preferences. Okay, as you can see that Ascent Ventures, this is their top 3 products, and you can see for all this can be done for sales rep too, to know their top 3 products of sale. If you know that, they are debating or in touch with what their most sell SKUs. Now for top 3 products by customers, what this does is that it makes you to see their preferences and their needs, going by their historical purchases, and there you make a product recommendations based on what they've been buying. And this helps to improve the revenue, helps you to discover new markets, and thereby doing product differentiation. And you can also do for sales rep, and there if a sales rep is in touch or in tune with his most sell SKUs. If it's not, then you have to take him on track on what is expected to sell, because for every company, they have their most sell product or SKUs. And if a sales rep is deviating, then obviously a sales rep needs to adjust to behavior. And that's one of the most important aspects of this analysis. And so further, we might want to go to sales rep to see their performances. Now, this is sales rep and products and other activities. This is the top 10 sales rep here, and we can quickly sort this by value to know the top 10. Okay, we have that. And now this is product activity by sales rep. If you click on a particular sales rep, you see the product that the sales rep has been dealing with. Okay, you see another sales rep. You can do a drill down for any of the sales rep, and you can do a drill down further for their SKUs that they have been selling or their product that have been selling. And there you have all listed there and their total sales for that particular month. You can see it in margin and in volume and in total sales. And then you can go back. And so further, you can go and do by region. You see, okay, those activities, I think we've done here. You check in-store and the customers by in-store. Do a drill down to check for retailers and see the customers' performance by. So let's go to month-to-month analysis where we have the last month performance as against or comparing it to the correct month to know how the salesperson has been performing and what to do to really come back on track. So overall, these are all these intelligences to make every user of this particular analysis to come back to behavior. For those that are not behaving well, the essence or the importance of this is to make them to conform to behavior so that they can be a better person. I hope this suffices and it brings some value to you. Thank you and have a nice day.